Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can change the Microsoft Teams meeting expiration timing. But before that, if you haven't liked or subscribed to my channel, please do and hit the bell icon to get the notifications for the any newly added videos. But before that, here is a short intro. So right now I am in my developer environment and from here let me just go and try to create one new meeting, and I am going to invite one of my user. I'm logging with one of my another user, Pratik Chotai. Right. So now we both are in the meeting and now let's start the recording. So as you can see now the recording has been started for between me and Pratik Chotai. Yes, now it started. You have started recording, so it is asking for the contents consent. So now it's working. Let me just go and stop the recording. Okay, so in few minutes, my recording will be available to the user who has started the meeting, right? So, okay, let me just stop the meeting so that the recording can be available. So the meeting has been ended in 53 seconds and it is now saving up the recording. So it will take some time to save up the recording. Let's wait for that recording to be saved. Okay, now it's saved. So when, if as you can see, there is one, this recording has is set to expire. If you want to change the expiration, click here. Let me just go and click on to that link and it will open up that same video in the Microsoft Stream. From here, I can change the expiration date of this record. Like by default, it is expiring in 20 days. So as I'm recording on September 22, it will go and expire on January 20, 2023. But if I want to change it or I want to stop it from expiring, I can select any of the values like extend by 7 days, by 30 days, or even I can remove the expiration. If I want to, I can change some customized date as well. Or I can remove the expiration. It should not expire this video, right? If I go and check on select date, I can select any of the dates, for example, June 23, and it will calculate the number of days from today and display it like expires in 281 days. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Thank you.